You gotta take a bow. She got everybody always trying to know how. Sean Ara, she the baddest and the truth.
Hi everybody, it's me again, and this time round I am back and teaching you guys how I do my detailed makeup. So the first thing you want to do is to wipe your face all the time, or wash your face, or just clean your face, and then go in with your face primer. I decided to do that off camera and then come back and draw my eyebrows. I want to zoom in a little bit so that you guys can be able to see how I do my eyebrows, though I wasn't so sure about showing you guys this part because I am not so good when it comes to eyebrows, and again, I am not professional. These are just things that I do when I want to quickly go out, or I just want to do a quick glam. So for the brows, what I do is I make sure that all the time my pencil is really sharpened, and I just follow the shape of my brows and slowly highlight it.
Know what you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does what you do, that's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you, I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is on one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So guys, right here I went in with my perfect foundation shade because the concealer was a little bit too light, and just before I started drawing it I realized that the products on the brush were a little too much, so that's why I am drawing just above the actual eyebrow, because I don't want it to be a lot to smudge and have a lot of product. So if you guys realize that the brush you're using has a lot of product, either you can reduce it by putting it in the palm of your hand, or just starting a little bit further from the actual brow. I like starting a little bit further because it helps me see and understand how far I am from the actual brow.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. A push P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at cross spot. Just for peace.
Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas. She not a
So guys, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite hacks if you don't have a blush and you want this reddish pinkish look on your chin. This is what I do. I'm using my red lipstick from MAC. This is from the Viva Glam package, but the previous time I used just this normal red lipstick. You can use any red lipstick of your choice. That is if you don't have the that is if you don't have the blush. You just put very little, like 1 to 3. That's all I have put. And you can already see the face has begun to be lifted high above the sea levels. So we are now supposed to just blend it out just a little. And another thing that I do is that this is the same brush that I had used to contour. So this is the same brush that I used to try and take away the powder, because it's just a bit dark, so it's gonna help. Damn, guys, can you see that? Just take the product out as much as you can.
No question. To reach the text, I lift my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabet. Try to sort it. Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
push P.
I'm pushing P. P.
Push P.
Push P.
Push P.
Push P.
Yeah.
So this is how it looks like, guys. This is how it looks like when I'm blending. I'm actually just using my hand. Gary, just.
Super ground. Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skid all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga? I'm rockin' with you. I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spending on business and spending and spending and spending until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you ain't never step of help with none of you killers. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Yeah, but now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch.
This is it, guys. This is a final look, so I'm just gonna go and get one of my beautiful wigs, put it on, and then come and show you guys. But until this far, what do you guys think? Did I nail it or did I miss it? If you want more content, similar content of me doing my makeup, let me know down below so that I can know that you people love this content and that you guys really enjoy when I do my makeup together with you guys. So let's put on the bomb ass wig.